Welcome. Today I'll show you how to install Sublime Text Editor to run any programming programs. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, go to any browser like Chrome, open it and search for Sublime Text. Okay, just text and click it. You got first result, then click on first result, click it, and here is the option Windows for download for Windows, but if you are any other platform then go to the downloads option, and here you can find for Mac OS or Windows and Linux. So as your requirement you can download it this software in your PC. So in my case I will download for Windows, then click on Windows. Here you can see here download is starting. Download is completed. So then first got it here, and you can also go to this PC and download option, and also here double click on it and then ask for run, then run it. You can see go to S and next install. Okay, this will be installing. Okay, finished it. Sublime Text Editor is installed in our PC and got it here, and you can see not on desktop, then search for Sublime. Yeah, Sublime and open location when not shown in desktop. Open location Sublime, you can have, and you can find and copy it. Control C, not copy it, and then paste on desktop. Easily you can see here the Sublime Text Editor is installed. Okay, so as you want, open it also. Yeah, first look of Sublime Text, then close it, and you can see this is my already got it here. You can start your any project from here. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much.